Hey there, today we're going to be answering the following question. A rectangular prism filled with water has a length of 12.5 centimeters, width of 10.1 centimeters, and height of 8.4 centimeters. The water is poured into a cylinder with a radius of 7.0 centimeters and a height of 6.6 centimeters. The question is, will the water overflow? So I drew a picture of the situation. We have our rectangular here filled with water, and then we have the cylinder in which it's going to be poured into. So in order to solve this problem, this is really a problem of volume. So we have a certain volume of water in a rectangular prism, and we're wondering if the cylinder will hold all of it, or if during the process of pouring into it, if it'll fill the top and then continue with more water coming out. So in order to solve this, we need to figure out how much water we have. So let's figure that out. So the volume of the rectangular prism is the length times the width times the height. And the length here is our 12.5 centimeters. The width is our 10.1 centimeters. And the height is our 8.4 centimeters. So we got length, which is going to be our 12.5, and I'm just going to leave the units out because I've got only a little bit of space here. So we got 12.5 times 10.1 times 8.4 centimeters, and that will give us 1,060.5 centimeters cubed. So that's how much water we want to see if it will fit into the cylinder. Now the question is, how much water can fit in the cylinder? Well, let's calculate that out. And the volume of a cylinder is the area of the base, which is a circle, times the height. So we got that. So that is going to be r squared, which is our 7 centimeters squared, and our height is 6.6, so we got that. So when you multiply that all together, you're going to get 1,015.991. So if we pour the water into the cylinder, it's going to overflow because the volume of the cylinder is less than the volume of the rectangular prism. And so when we pour it in, we're going to fill it up, and then we're going to have that little extra that will overflow. And so the question was, will it overflow? Yes.